Oh no, not Grimmy. I told you I'd be back. What you get when you underestimate Grimmy, a Russian GY6 death of all good things. Stay and see how it happens. I strike so fast. And I strike. Oh yes. Watch you go by him. Ever so fast. Beautiful. You do too much to complain it coming from you now.
That went here somewhere, didn't it? Hey, what the? I went no bar rules now.
A few moments later.
Please, fix it. Wait a minute. Did I fix it yet?
The next day.
Well, I might be blowing smoke, but I think I can fix this. Breaking news from Mr. Original Concept Garage. Cousin It's coming for a visit, also known as Casey Levy, a Scooter Army mostly official. Hope we got that fixed. We get that all fixed? Oh dear.
Oh yeah. Hey, you got the gravel. Just that plate right now doing that. Dang it. Yeah. I was too close in there. I hope it ain't a cop right there, you know. I don't think it is. It ain't a cop, good deal. Thank God.
Breaking news, Bozo and Duke did not fix the problem he thought he had fixed. This and more at 6 o'clock tonight. To the damage done. Update on bike. I killed it. I went Super Saiyan on it. I beat its ass. Take two. And it's fixed. What do you mean? What is this? What is this? Oh, you son of a bitch. He fixed it.
Nice.
Oh, cousin It, what a way to pull out.
Same spot. All the Harley guys go by it.
And this Bob Kenny can flex on him. Too late, too bad.
Come on, let the second time be, you know, let it work this time. All right, he's coming. And he's coming.
So that's why you want to know cousin It's on a helmet.
Thank goodness. Yeah, I want to at least be able to ride the damn thing, you know what I'm
You trying to get me killed, wasn't you? I don't hear you saying no.
That big gun exhaust, man. Like I always say, boys and girls. What does both of you always say? When in doubt, what do we pull out? The big guns, baby. Look at his reaction now.
I missed my opportunity with that pack of bikes.
I know, man. I was sitting there thinking the same thing. I thought
that is bad, dude.
it's like been on a rail, huh? Like, please, I like that. He said,
want one.
You will? I had to let you like fully ride it next to get it.
The crazy stuff you see here on our channel, Mr. Original Concept Garage, as they are always performed on closed off streets. Woo boy!
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming.
Oh yeah!
I wake up every minute with a fever dream. I put your mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. So I leave them all hates like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a
Made you look